Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here, and we are finally back with a new video. I've recently been using the Atmos Fit Hydro, and it's proven to be a pretty affordable and reliable fitness tracker. So for this video, I just want to give a quick overview as to what you can expect if you ever decide to purchase the Atmos Fit Hydro. The Hydro comes in a nicely packaged box. You get the watch along with the manual, and that's pretty much it. The watch comes in a nice matte black design, and I especially like the metal fastener on the strap, as it's a bit more secure compared to what you get on other fitness trackers. There's no charger inside the box though, as you just directly plug the Hydro to whatever charging brick you have available. It only takes about an hour before the battery fully charges, and each charge can last you around 4 to 5 days. Aside from being a watch, the Hydro comes with a decent set of features including IPX7 waterproofing, a pedometer, a built-in heart rate monitor, and it can also track the distance you walk and calories burned. It can also send you notifications when connected to your phone. There's also a stopwatch function which can come in handy. Using the watch is pretty straightforward. You just need to download the AF Hydro app on your phone and pair the watch and phone via Bluetooth. It automatically adjusts the time and date based on your phone's settings. Your phone can also log your fitness data when connected to the Hydro. There are some downsides though. I've noticed that the OLED screen is a bit dim when viewed outdoors in direct sunlight, and this might be an issue for outdoor activities and sports. But then again, it is nice that we get an OLED display, which is something you don't usually get with other fitness trackers in this price range. Sometimes the step counter will track steps that I didn't actually take. For example, when moving around while sitting down, the Hydro sometimes reads those movements as steps. For the most part though, it has been pretty accurate throughout my time using it. Aside from these issues though, the watch does a pretty good job. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching.